Most committees raise money by accepting checks and cash at events, like dinners and meet and greets, as well as online contributions via credit and debit cards. Sometimes, OCPF is asked about more unique fundraising methods. We will address some of those issues in this tutorial. In this example, a candidate for school committee hosts a driveway pie party with the goal of raising $500. She bakes 25 pies which sell for $20 each. The campaign would collect the name and residential address from each person who bought a pie because they are donors. Whether a committee sells pies, hats, or t-shirts, the concept is the same. Each customer is a donor, and records must be kept. It's September, and the committee to elect John decides to have a Patriots-themed fundraising party in the candidate's backyard. To make extra money, John asks friends and family to donate sports memorabilia. He receives jerseys, cards, programs, and a football signed by the coach. The individual who buys the items through the silent auction are donors to the campaign. The people who donated the items are in-kind contributors to the campaign. The value of an in-kind contribution can be determined by the purchase price, bid price, or an appraisal. A committee can raise money via a contest, such as a 5K run or a golf tournament. For example, a candidate can arrange to have a tournament at a golf course for 50 golfers. The committee pays for the greens fees and charges each golfer $500. Each golfer is a $500 donor, even though the committee had expenses such as fees, drinks, and prizes. A candidate is friends with several professional manicurists and plans a nail painting party to raise money. The manicurists volunteer their time off hours, and many people show up at the candidate's house to get their nails done. Each person who paid for a manicure is a donor to the campaign. The personal services provided by the volunteer beauticians are not disclosed. Games of chance, such as bingo, raffles, and poker tournaments, are generally prohibited as fundraising tools. Please contact the Attorney General's office for information about holding such events. If a campaign sells something, the customer is a donor. Collect the names and addresses of all donors. Donated items are considered in-kind contributions, and personal services are not disclosed. If your campaign has a unique idea for raising money, please contact OCPF for guidance.